This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in a Lexus ES 350. First, always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gloves and eye protection. Before you begin, gather all necessary tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a new battery. Make sure your vehicle is turned completely off, and the parking brake is firmly engaged to prevent any accidental movement. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate the battery, which is usually under the hood on the passenger side. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal first, then carefully remove the cable. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal. After both cables are disconnected, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. This order is crucial for safety. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the battery tray and the new battery terminals with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly with your wrench. Then, connect the negative terminal, ensuring it is also very secure. To complete the process, perform a few final checks. Double-check that both the positive and negative terminals are tightly secured and that the battery hold-down clamp is firm. Apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals to prevent future buildup. Finally, start your engine to confirm everything is working perfectly. Remember to responsibly recycle your old battery at an authorized facility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.